Verifying your bank account with Ahli United Bank in Switzerland is an important process to ensure the security and functionality of your banking services. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents needed for the verification process. This typically includes your identification passport or national ID, proof of address, utility bill or bank statement, and any other documents specified by the bank. Step 2. Access online banking. Log into your online banking account on the Ahli United Bank website. If you do not have an online account, you may need to register first by providing your account details and following the prompts. Step 3. Navigate to verification section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Upload documents. Follow the instructions to upload the required documents you gathered in Step 1. Ensure that all documents are clear and legible. Double check that you have uploaded all necessary files before submitting. Step 5. Confirm submission and wait for approval. After uploading your documents, confirm the submission. You will receive a notification or email regarding the status of your verification. This process may take a few days, so be patient while the bank reviews your information. Once you have completed these steps, you will be on your way to successfully verifying your bank account with Ahli United Bank. If you encounter any issues, do not hesitate to contact customer support for assistance.